Okay, children, I really apologize for the mess that today was. So I'm going to make this video as clear and concise and short and sweet as I can, just going off a whim. So there are two ways to get to your Google Drive. If you're at the portal, Alton Schools portal, you can go to your Google Drive here. If you are in Clever, I think there's a way. Sorry if there's not. I'm trying to give you multiple options. Yep, here we go. Google Drive. So you can get to Google Drive either way, whatever is best for you. I like Clever because it's a great tool for you guys, but the portal's great too. Okay, so if you're on your Google Drive, you're gonna go over here to New. And you're gonna go down to Google Slides. If you don't see Google Slides here, click More and it should pop up. These are just the three I use the most of, so they show up first. Okay, so something that I've noticed some of you forget to do is to title your Google Docs or whatever. So probably if you go to your Google Drive, you have like a whole bunch of untitled documents or presentations. So the best thing to do right now is to click up here in this box and title it. You could do About Me poster. And if you wanted, you could say science. That way you know it's for science class. Okay? And then you can do like fun little layouts. Let's see here. Themes. So right over here, it just popped up for me. But if you go to, I believe, no. I always just play around. Sometimes things aren't easy, so you just gotta kind of explore yourself. So I don't know where themes are. Oh, here it is. Duh. Theme, right there. So you could have like a fun background. You know what you can also do is if you go to Google Images, like that's how I always get my backgrounds. You go to Google Images. You guys know how to do most of this. And I just like put in like PowerPoint background. Typing with fun again. And then like it comes up with all these fun ones. Or if you know specifically like something that you want, like on my presentation, I did Shiplap. I love Shiplap. I think it's super modern, but yet, you know, like that. I don't know, country kind of look too. I don't know. So here you could do like a Shiplap background. Ooh, this is cute. Or if you like the beach, you could do a beach. Oh, I like this one. That's cute. Or like brick walls are kind of in right now. So you could do like a, this is fun, right? Okay, so and all you got to do is, so let's say I like this, I'm kind of picky. Let's see. This is kind of cool. It's like, you could put, okay, I'm going to do this. This is cool. Okay, so I'm going to right click. I think you can do that on your Chromebook. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Right click. Copy image. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, then you have to try a different image because sometimes images don't. I'm going to select all this and delete. Okay, so now you can paste it. So you right click, paste, and then you make it fit the box. Now sometimes that's not always the case. You can try. Okay, looks a little bit too big, so then you can crop. How are we on the box? Okay, I just try to make it like in the box. Okay, so now you can do, oh wow, we're way too big. So if you crop it to the box, so like here we're way, so the box ends right there. Perfect. Okay, so now this is our presentation, or our background. And so now you can add your name. So if you want to do a text box, or if you go to insert, you could do this fun word art. So I'm going to put Amber, because, you know, like maybe I'm a student. And then if you right click, no, that's not what I want. Format options. That's not what I want either. Position size. Sometimes you can make like fun. Why is it not in here? That's okay. If you pick, I'm gonna pick a different font, and then I'm going to so you can put the border of your name a different color. So my border, I want to be this bright blue. I like bright colors, you know. No, I want purple. And then the inside, I can make, ooh, that's fun. I like that. Okay, see? Fun. Now you can add images of things about you. So, like, I go to Google Images, and I do tacos, because I like tacos. And which one looks the yummiest? Remember, I put this one on my slideshow, so I'm going to right click, copy image, and I'm going to right click, paste. Under that spotlight, tacos. Okay, what else do I like? Let's see, music. I do love music. I like to dance. So maybe I'll just do something fun like this. This is fun. Copy image. I love listening to music. Okay, or dancing. Okay, so then someone asked, how would you send a picture? So if you have a picture on your phone, just like you would send it in a text, you can also send it in a email. So especially if you have an iPhone, I know that's pretty easy. An Android, I'm sorry, I'm not very good at those. Okay, so then you go to your email, and I actually have sent one to myself. Let's see. Sorry, you really probably shouldn't be looking at all my emails in case there's something private. I'm just gonna go off of that for right now. Sorry, this is an on the whim kind of video, so I can't tell you it's gonna be perfect. Okay, here we go. So here I sent all these pictures. So then I'm gonna put like girls basketball. Let's see, let me look. Family picture. I wanna add this one. So you pull it up in your email, and you're going to download it. You're gonna hit that down arrow, and then you're gonna click here, show it where it is in the folder. Now sometimes you can have the ability, oh, you guys have different. Okay, so I think it will save to your log. If not, sometimes you can drag it out of your email into your PowerPoint. So let me give that a try. Where's my email? Maybe like right here. Can I put it here? I can. Amazing. So give it a try. I know Chromebooks are a little bit different, but here we go. So this would be like the minimum of what you could turn in. 3 pictures, your name, and Or you could do like 5 pictures, you could do more, just as long as it looks nice and neat. All right, then to share it with me, you click share, and then you can put a Giza King at Alton Schools, put it right there and click done, and it'll send it to me. Okay? Hope this was helpful. I apologize it didn't work in class.